Assalamu alaikum dear students. Students, today we are starting with the inorganic qualitative analysis, and today we are starting with the first practical of our salt analysis. Dear student, in exam you will be provided with the white color salt in any particular apparatus like watch glass, and you will be asked in the exam to identify one positive radical and one negative radical. So today we are starting with our salt. I require that everyone should have the lab manual right now, and I'll just indicate to you that which are the things which you have to observe first of all. Let us start with the practical. First of all, preliminary test. In preliminary test, dear students, you are having a physical appearance. You are doing with the dry test tube heating. You are doing with the flame test, borax bit test, charcoal cavity test, and the cobalt nitrate test. Out of this, we will be just doing the physical appearance. We will do the physical appearance of the particular salt given, and then we are going to start with the dry test tube heating, and we will do the flame test, rest test, that is borax bit test, that is for the color salt. And in exam you will be not given the color salt, means you have to not do the borax bit test. Charcoal cavity test we are not doing. Cobalt nitrate test we are not doing. It means in preliminary you have to just go for doing the 3 steps. Fine. So first of all, color. What is the color of the salt? White in color. If it would be blue, you must be having the copper. If it would be green, Ni may be present. Light green, Fe may be present. Dark brown, Fe may be present. Rose red, cobalt may be present. Light pink, Mn may be present. So dear student, as we don't have any particular coloration over here, means the colored salt will not be given in your exam. आपको exam में colored salt नहीं दिए जाते हैं. Is it clear? You will be always given with the white color. और सबसे पहले जो आप preliminary observation का table बनाएंगे, उसमें लिखेंगे color, smell, density. Preliminary. Color, smell, density. So color, you will write white color. White color के सामने radicals लिखे हुए हैं Pb, As, cadmium, zinc, aluminium, whatever is given over here, that is what you have to write. It may be present. आपको क्या लिखना है? It may be present. You are not sure. You are just inferring. You are finding out. Second, smell. What you have to do, dear students? You have to take a pinch of this, and you have to add only 1 drop of water on that. And what you have to do, you have to smash it and you have to smell. Okay. It is giving a smell. Dear students, let me tell you, it is giving the ammonical smell. ये ammonia जैसे smell दे रहा है, मतलब हमारा NH4 हो सकता है. We are not sure. It may be over there. If you are getting vinegar-like smell, acetate ion would be there. If you are getting the smell like rotten egg, सड़ा हुआ अंडा, sulfur would be there. But we are not getting this particular smell. We are just getting the ammonical smell, means ammonia may be present. आपको लिखना है ammonical smell observed. NH4 may be present. Okay. Density is given with heavy, light fluffy powder and deliquescent. Deliquescent means which absorbs the moisture. आपका सॉल्ट गीले जैसा होने लगे, मतलब ये वाटर एब्जॉर्ब कर रहा है, मीन्स इट इज कॉल्ड डीलिक्विसेंट. फाइन. सो यू हैव टू जस्ट गो फॉर राइटिंग दिस पर्टिकुलर. नेक्स्ट, इफ यू आर नॉट गेटिंग एनी दिस पर्टिकुलर, यू कैन जस्ट से दैट नो सच ऑब्जर्वेशन, पर्टिकुलर रेडिकल्स आर not there. Particular, I am saying you have to write Pb plus, Hg plus, whatever is given in your lab manuals. That is what you have to write, that those may be absent. Fine. Or maybe not present. Absent don't write, maybe not present. Then we are going to do with the dry test tube heating. Now in this you need very clearly dry test tube. You should not use the test tube which is having the water. Your test tube should be really dry. So dear students, what I have to do, I have to light the burner. I have to light the burner. I have to use the test tube holder. I have to use the test tube holder, dear students, and I have to take the pinch of salt. Don't take the salt more. because it will not give you the proper radicals. Okay, so the pinch of salt and try to heat it in the blue flame, not this particular. यहाँ पे हीट करोगे तो इसका ब्लैक कलर का स्मोक लग जाएगा and you will not able to see the substance properly. So try to heat it over here. Dear students, white color fumes are coming. If you are able to see, the white color fumes are coming out of the test tube. See, it is getting white coloration also on the sides of the wall of your test tube. Heat it. One more thing you can do, when it is getting heated, dear student, आपका जो है गैस इवॉल्व में एक पर्टिकुलर गिवन है that white fumes are coming. लास्ट में लिखा हुआ है smell of ammonia. Yes, it is giving a very typical smell of ammonia. So what you have to do, you have to use the glass rod, dip it into the concentrated HCl and bring it near the mouth of your test tube. I hope you are able to see white color fumes are coming out. The white color fumes which are coming out over here are the fumes of ammonium chloride. It means ammonia निकल रहा है और इसमें आपका क्लोरीन लगा हुआ है. So it is able to give you the ammonium chloride. Fine. Dear student, are you able to see the brown coloration over here? So it is also giving you the brown color gas. So it is giving you the brown coloration over here. That is the special indication. आपको एग्जाम में अगर ऐसा मिल रहा है तो आपको क्लियरली नोट डाउन करना है दैट व्हाट इज हैपनिंग. इट इज़ गिविंग यू दी ब्राउन कलरेशन. ब्राउन कलरेशन मतलब Br हो सकता है, NO3 हो सकता है या तो NO2 हो सकता है. आपको सिर्फ ये दिमाग में रखना है अभी फ़िलहाल के लिए. और अच्छा, वाइट फ्यूम्स भी मिल रही थी. सो वाइट फ्यूम्स वर गिविंग द इंडिकेशन दैट इट इज़ हैविंग द ammonium ion may be present. Okay, now this is done, that we have done with the dry test tube heating. Flame test, today we will not do flame test because this salt is not going to give you the flame test. We will just start with the analysis of the anion. Dear student, in the analysis of the anion, first of all what we have to do, we have to take a test tube. We have to take a salt, and what we have to do, we have to first of all use the dilute sulfuric acid. I have dropped the dilute sulfuric acid, and here student, nothing is happening. No colorless gas, no colored gas, no precipitates, nothing. What does this mean? डाइल्यूट सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड से जो भी रेडिकल्स मिलने वाले थे, फॉर एग्जांपल CO3, बबल्स आने स्टार्ट हो जाते. बबल्स नहीं आ रहे मतलब CO3 प्रेजेंट नहीं है. सल्फर, दैट इज़ योर वायोलेट कलर, यहाँ पे आपको मिलना चाहिए था स्मेल विद रॉटन एग. I am not getting any smell. It means sulfur is not there. It should give you the colorless gas with a suffocating smell. It is not giving me any colored gas, any white color gas also, or any colorless gas. So SO3 minus is also absent. It is not giving me vinegar like smell, means acetate ion is also absent. What I have to do, I have to go for doing the next test, that is I have to take the dry test tube. I have to take the pinch of the salt, and what I have to do, I have to use the concentrated sulfuric acid. I hope you are able to see sulfuric acid. So dear student, when I am going to use the concentrated sulfuric acid, and as I am going to drop it, dear student, are you able to see the brown coloration? Yes, reddish brown. So when we are getting the reddish brown fumes, dear students, it gives you the indication that it gives you the indication that whenever आपके इनऑर्गेनिक के प्रैक्टिकल में आपको अगर कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड यूज़ करने पर अगर ब्राउन फ्यूम्स मिल रही है तो ब्राउन फ्यूम्स में भी इधर BR और NO3. नाउ व्हाट वी विल डू, हमें आइडिया तो मिल गई कि BR है या NO3 है, BR है या NO3 है. अब हम सबसे पहले क्या चेक करेंगे, BR चेक करेंगे. इज इट क्लियर? इफ वी डोंट गेट द BR वी विल गो फॉर द नाइट्रेट टेस्ट. Is it clear? So this is going to make your analysis easy one. So just let us go for the BR test. So dear student, when you are able to do when you have to do the BR test, what you have to do? You have to take a test tube. आपको test tube लेना है. Test tube में you have to take a pinch of the salt. We are doing with the confirmatory test of BR. Okay, so I have taken the salt. We have to make the solution. हमें salt का solution use करना है. So what I am going to do? I am going to drop the water. When I am going to drop the water, I'll get the solution like this, clear solution. Okay. Now in clear solution, what I have to do? I have to add dilute nitric acid. So dear student, this is my dilute nitric acid. Okay, it is written over here, but you will not able to see. Dilute nitric acid I have taken and I am dropping it into the test tube. Okay, this is my dilute nitric acid and my salt solution. Now dear student, what I have to do? I have to add silver nitrate solution. Silver nitrate solution. So if I am using silver nitrate solution and if I am getting the particular precipitates, then BR may be present. Wow, very beautiful color. Dear students, it is light yellow color. It is not white color, it is light yellow color precipitates. See, white होता तो clear white दिखता, but it is a light yellow color precipitates over there. अच्छा, precipitate और solution में समझ में ना आ रहा हो कि मैडम ये solution है या precipitate, तो look it into light and if you are able to see the particles floating, you could see the particles are settling down. Are you able to see? The particles are settling down. Okay, so this is the precipitates, pale yellow color or you can say light yellow color, means your BR is present. What you have to do? You have to filter this. आपको ये precipitates लेने हैं. So what I'm going to do? I will filter the solution. Dear student, I am getting the particles over here. See, this is my yellow precipitate, my second confirmatory test. What I am going to do? In this precipitate, add excess of ammonium hydroxide. ये मेरा second confirmatory. सबसे पहले मैंने क्या किया? मैंने salt लिया, सॉल्ट में कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड डाला, ब्राउन कलर की फ्यूम्स आई, या तो BR या तो NO3 प्रेजेंट. अब BR या NO3 में से मुझे कंफर्म करना है. सबसे पहले आई एम चेकिंग द BR. सो फॉर दैट व्हाट आई हैव डन, आई हैव टेकन सॉल्ट, आई मेड द सॉल्यूशन, आई हैव ड्रॉप द डाइल्यूट नाइट्रिक एसिड एंड देन आई हैव ड्रॉप द AgNO3 silver nitrate solution. I got the yellow precipitate. BR is confirmed. First test. Second test, take the precipitates for which you obtain right now, yellow color precipitate, and add your ammonium hydroxide in excess. Excess मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब पूरी टेस्ट ट्यूब नहीं भर देनी है. Excess means more. Now see, what is happening? Yellow color particles will start dissolving, but not all. Only few will be dissolved. Only few particles are dissolved. कैसे पता चला? सॉल्यूशन का कलर येलो होने लगा. अगर डिजॉल्व नहीं होता तो वाइट कलर का सॉल्यूशन होता. बट द पार्टिकल्स आर डिजॉल्व ओवर हियर एंड रेस्ट ऑफ द पार्टिकल्स आर सेटलिंग एट द bottom of your container, means you can say that Br is conform. आपको दो conformatories लिखनी है, that is your Br is conform. Is it clear, dear students? So this is what we have done with the positive and negative radical. So positive, we were getting little bit idea about the ammonium. Okay, this was first of all about your negative radical conform. Now we will be doing the group analysis. Dear student, group analysis, we are having the certain groups, group 1, 2, 3, 4, and in that we are having the particular radicals. Before you start 1, 2, 3, 4, you have to start with zero group. You have to start with zero group. Zero group is having only one radical, that is ammonium. Ammonia nahi, ammonium, NH4. So NH4, what we have to do, we have to first of all check the zero group. How do we check the zero group? Let us see that. Okay, in zero group, first of all, you have to take your dear students, take the salt, take NaOH solution, NaOH, take NaOH solution, and we have to heat it. But before you heat it, make sure you should be ready with the glass rod dipped in concentrated sulfuric acid. Concentrated sulfuric acid. So I'm going to ready with the concentrated sulfuric acid, and I'm going to on the burner, and I have to hold my test tube with the test tube. I have to use the test tube holder. I have to use the test tube holder. Don't directly do it. This is my test tube holder. And as I am going to heat it, dear students, white color fumes are coming. The white color fume is the फ्यूम्स ऑफ एमोनियम क्लोराइड. टेस्ट ट्यूब में से आपका एमोनिया गैस निकल रहा है और आप उसके पास ला रहे हो HCl, NH4Cl. NH3 is coming out and your HCl is getting combined with this, and you are getting the dense fumes, and the dense fumes are of your ammonium chloride. So this is the first conformatory. One more conformatory we have to do, and that conformatory is, again, we have to take the salt. We have to take the salt. We have to add the NaOH. So I have already taken the salt and I have added our NaOH solution. I have added our NaOH solution in this one. And now what I have to use? I have to use Nastler reagent. Dear student, examiner may ask you the formula of Nastler reagent. So you need to know the formula of the Nastler reagent. Dear students, when we are going to drop this, you know what is going to happen? Wow. Brown color PPTs. It is not color, it is precipitates. So brown color precipitates are giving the indication that your positive radical is ammonium ion. Two conformatory we have done. How you have to remember? Salt, NaOH, dilute NaOH solution. First test, heat it and bring the concentrated dipped glass rod near the mouth. Fumes will come out and NH4 is conformed. Second, salt, NaOH solution, Nastler reagent. What is the formula of Nastler reagent? You have to tell me the formula of the Nastler reagent, because it is very important for you to know the formula of the Nastler reagent. Is it clear, dear student? Brown precipitates, herein your salt is completely determined and your salt is ammonium bromide, not chloride. Ammonium bromide. ये एमोनिया कन्फर्म, ये Br कन्फर्म, ammonium bromide is your today's salt. Dear students, still if you face any difficulty, any doubts, just let me know. We will clarify your doubts, and in journal you have to write down the same. Just follow the pattern as you have been followed in your this one previous year's journals as you wrote, but still I am telling you the sequence. Note it down because it is very important. First, primary observation. Number 1, primary observation. Number 2, dry test tube heating. Dry test tube heating, and in that very clearly you have to specify everything. Number 3, flame test. Today we have not done, but you have to write. You have to write flame test. Okay, so flame test you have to write for today that no particular coloration of the flame, and therefore those radicals which are given may be absent. You have to write down the radicals. Number 4, analysis of anion. Analysis of anion, 3 steps, all the 3 steps you have to write. Number 1, salt solution plus salt plus your dilute sulfuric acid, no particular result, no indications, particular radicals are absent. Number 2, salt plus concentrated sulfuric acid, brown color gas, Br or NO3 may be present. Number 3, salt plus BaCl2 solution, therefore your carbonate is absent. Fine, dear student. So this is what you have to do. You have to write these 3 first of all. As our brown gas is coming, we will go with the confirmatory of the Br. So you will give the title confirmatory of Br. Confirmatory of Br, then you will make the table and you will write the 2 tests which we have done right now. And in your lab manual, the reactions are also given. So you have to write down the reaction also. Is it clear? Reaction examiner also may ask sometimes to write. So reaction you have to write, and then you have to go for writing the group analysis of positive radical and cation. So in that, dear student, our today's radical is ammonium. So you will get in the 0 group. तो 0 group में आप क्या लिखोगे? Original solution plus NaOH, Nastler reagent, brown precipitates, ammonium is confirmed. Ammonia may be present. ammonia may be present लिख सकते हो, confirm भी लिख सकते हो. फिर उसके बाद क्या करोगे? Group 1 लिखोगे. Group 1, original solution plus dilute HCl, no white precipitate, PB is present. Group 2, original solution dilute HCl, H2S gas, no precipitate. Group 2 is absent. मतलब आपको सारे ग्रुप्स एब्सेंट बताने हैं. यू हैव टू राइट द कंप्लीट टेबल टिल ऑल द ग्रुप्स एंड यू हैव टू शो देम एब्सेंट. आफ्टर कंप्लीशन ऑफ द टेबल यू हैव टू राइट CT, confirmatory test for the positive radical, and you have to give the test of the ammonium. In that you will write both. You will write both the tests which we have done today, Nastler reagent also, and warming the NaOH plus your salt solution and bringing the glass rod and getting the fumes. Both the confirmatory you have to write. Last you will write the result. In that you will write cation, ammonium ion, anion, bromide ion. The given salt is ammonium bromide, NH4Br. Here your practical writing work is over. I hope you are getting it clearly. Still, if you face any difficulty, any doubts, just let me know.